Quantity. You will get 12 sheets French-style nail art sticker for acrylic nails, which can offer you multiple choices, and satisfy your rich imagination of nail DIY. Black White Style Nail Decors. Assorted patterns with leaves, ivy, flowers, vine, irregular geometry nail decals. Help to create a charming, elegant and romantic French nail styles. Easy to use. Our nail stickers are self-adhesive, and our stickers is free from soaking, so just stick them on your nails, easy and time-saving. Similarly, just peel off them if you want to remove them. High quality. Nail stickers are made of high-quality materials, not limited to any nail. Suitable for all people and you can use it safely. You can apply a top coat to protect the nail sticker. Perfect gift. It is the best gift for women, girls. Nail stickers are great for fingernails and toenails decorations. Perfect for home use and nail salon. They are also the ideal decors for mobile phone covers, greeting cards, etc. Top reviews from the United States. Neat designs and easy to use. I was hesitant when I saw people were saying these often tore while trying to peel them off, but using very sharp tweezers and going slow worked just fine. I put some in my phone to try them out, and they lay really flat and seem to stick really well. I think they'll look really nice in some gel nails.